scarlet trees. She smiles, she dances, softly sighs, and whispers farewell to the leaves. The morning frost, so thin, so bright, takes flight, a bird in silent air. The ground beneath my feet turns white, like crust of bread, so pure, so rare. In this, the spider's lace is gleaming, a shawl upon the rosy briar. And berries glow as if still dreaming of summer's warmth, of fading fire. A sunbeam like the final thread of hope that trembles in my hand. We'll touch a branch, then softly spread and fade away through autumn's land. But fleeting is this tender vision. The winds will steal her fragile grace, and winter comes with calm precision to cover emptiness with lace. Since the day we met by chance, I can live in quiet trance, dreaming only of your touch, your scent, your warmth, I miss so much. You're the calm inside my storm, the fire that keeps my spirit warm. I breathe your love, you're my air. Without you here, there's no anywhere. I wanna hold your gentle hand, feel your heartbeat, understand your soft skin beneath my own. Feels like home, where I've always known. You're the calm inside my storm, the fire that keeps my spirit warm. I breathe your love, you're my air. Without you here, there's no anywhere. brought me you, my only one. You are my peace, my every breath, the sweetest life beyond all death. I love you endlessly with trembling hand. Without you near, I can't withstand. When you're gone, the world feels cold. You're my air, the breath I hold. You are my life. You are my sky. With you I live, I never ask why. My heart melts every time you're near. My love for you is pure and clear. You're in my thoughts and every dream. You're the heartbeat inside my stream. I wanna stay right by your side to see your face through day and night. You are my life. You are my sky. With you I live, I never ask why. My heart melts every time you're near. My love for you is pure and clear. You are my calm, my breath, my air. Without your love, I lose my care. Your eyes bring warmth to all I see. You are my life, my destiny. You are my heaven, my gentle sea. I live if I breathe because of you. I fall for you again and again. When I see your smile, my sweetest sin, that cosmic glow, that magic fire pulls me close, feeds my desire. You're my fantasy, my sweetest flame. My world spins when I whisper your name. Your charm, your grace, I can't resist. My your